Scene 1, Goodbye. Narrator soft, emotional. A mother left for a business trip, trusting her two little children to a housekeeper. Not knowing a nightmare was about to begin. Scene 2, everything changes. The door closed, and the kindness disappeared with it. Scene 3, hard work. The children worked until they had no strength left. Their hands were shaking with exhaustion. Scene 4, hunger. No food, no warmth, no
Я больше не могу.
Потерпи, ради мамы.
Быстрее, вы еще не все сделали.
They made the bravest decision of their lives to escape and survive. Scene 6, rescue. Fate showed mercy. The police found them. And the truth was revealed. Scene 7, mother's return. When the mother learned the truth, she flew back immediately with tears in her eyes.
Что вы делаете здесь ночью одни?
The housekeeper was arrested for cruelty and betrayal of trust.
Что вы делаете здесь ночью одни?
The mother hugged her children again, and at that moment, they knew everything would be okay. Final text: protect children. They are the most precious gift in life.